What's up, picking my last leg? We picking out the rose. Money more like the champagne. And me on my pillow. What's that for me, shawty? But my
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to ventilate your lace closure or your lace frontal. As you can see that all of the closures and frontals that I use on this channel are handmade. So the first thing I did was to pin my lace closure to my mannequin head, and I'm just trying to measure out 1 inch apart. And honestly, you can actually skip this part, it is not so necessary. If you're new on my channel, you're welcome, and my name is ADUNNI'S. I'm a lifestyle content creator based in Abuja, Nigeria, and I share hair tutorials like this and a little vlog about my life. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, please click the subscribe button if you find this video helpful. And this is actually one of the most self-explanatory video that I have ever filmed on this channel. I made a close-up tutorial to show you guys like a detailed way of actually ventilating using a latch hook. So as you guys can tell already that this video is a bit long and I'm not going to be boring you guys. So I'm going to leave you guys to actually watch through and see what I am doing. Also, I showed you how to do the single knots and the double knots for ventilating, so you just want to make sure that you keep watching. And I also showed you guys at some part in this video the colorful pin that I was referring to in my previous video. And like I said earlier, you can totally skip this part because I realized that at the end of while ventilating, I honestly didn't even use this marking, but it is actually a very good guide for you if it is your first time ventilating. And this is my latch hook, so it has 3 hook or 3 crochet pin, if that is better for you. So the first one that I'm showing you guys currently is the one I will be using, and the other 2 ones that I have, one is damaged and the tip of the other one is curved, so it won't work. So this one is damaged, so I just went ahead to fixing the hook, and you guys are going to see me get to work. Please, if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and do all those good stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next upload. Make sure to watch up until the end. And if you have any question, any comments, drop your comments in the comment section, and every detail to reach out to me will be in the description box. So keep watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.